Hi, so today we are working on a carrier unit which was red tagged by me because of the heat exchanger cracked, which I found out during the maintenance. So I red tagged, shut down the gas supply and cut the electrical for the heat. So I just want to show you the crack. I don't know if you can see. So it's a big hole here, big hole here, here. So the screwdriver can easily go inside. Okay, so I took out the heat exchanger from the unit. So hole here, here, and this, the last pipe, very big hole. It's a big crack. So the life of this heat exchanger gone. So we have a brand new heat exchanger in our truck. Okay, so the new heat exchanger, I have assembled the retainer plate here and the whole thing on which the venter motor will sit, and place a nice layer of silicone. Those are the bunch of gaskets that came with the heat exchanger. So I think it's ready to go into the unit, but before that I'm gonna properly fix the insulation and make it a little bit nicer. Okay, so new heat exchanger back in, venter motor with new gasket, everything is back in. I have cleaned the burner, flame sensor, igniter, everything, and now we're gonna test it. Turn on the gas, jump the heat mode. Let's turn on the power. So we're gonna let it run for a while like this, so that the oil and other coating will burn and will not enter the building. So old heat exchanger is there. So that was a big job, so I completed by myself. It was a little bit heavy to pull the heat exchanger all the way to the roof by myself. Okay, thank you for watching.